everyone and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Glitz Glam box for the month of January. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's box, stay tuned. Before we dive in, I would definitely appreciate it if you would take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future content. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and talk about this box. If you're not familiar with the Glitz Glam box, it is a monthly beauty subscription where for $15 a month you receive one glitter product, one pair of lashes, and 2 to 3 full-size beauty items. Now, this box, it says, was designed for people who are looking to really up their makeup game and be a little bit bolder with makeup, not afraid to throw the glitter on the eyes, a winged liner, lashes. So definitely curated for people who just want to be a little bit more bold with their makeup, or for people who just want to start stepping outside of their comfort zone. So when the bag came this month, it came in this packaging, which is a lot larger than the normal package that it comes in. So being curious, I did go online and watch someone else's video because I was totally curious to see what was inside that made the package this big. And I've had this for a few days and I'm just getting around to unboxing it. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up so I can show you guys what is inside of this box. So the first thing that I'm pulling out of the package is this item here. And this is a 10-piece Pro Makeup brush collection, so a 10-piece brush set. So let's go ahead and take that out so I can show you guys what it looks like. I believe this came in 2 colors, purple and this color here. And I want to say this is like ivory, but I don't think it was termed ivory. It was listed as another color, but I don't know exactly what that was. But that's what it looks like. So it comes in this case here, which is really cute and it feels kind of okay. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. So you have your full set of brushes there. Okay, let's pull it out and see what they feel like. That's what they look like. And that's the handle there. And they feel pretty sturdy in the hand. I like the rose gold color around the ferrule there. Let's see how it feels. All right, it's nice and soft. This would be a really good powder brush, all over powder brush. Okay, so we got the whole set, and that's really nice. Let me look inside the bag because I know they typically have a card, so I can give you some more information. I just pulled those out and started playing with them. Hold on a second here. Okay, so on the card it says 10-piece brush set, La Beauté Soul, luxury 10-piece brush set in Snow White or Ultraviolet. So this is the Snow White color here that I received. The other one was the Ultraviolet, which was a pretty purple as well. Inside of this kit, we have the powder brush, which is the one I just showed you. There is the angled powder brush, which is that one there. We have the pointed foundation brush, the fan brush there, the blending brush, I guess. And then there's an angled blending brush in here. There it is. There. The concealer brush there. And then there's an eyeliner brush and a precision lip brush. That's really great. I'd probably use that for something else, like to spot conceal, like when I have a blemish, to get it like directly on there, as opposed to using it for the lips. I don't typically use brushes very often for my lips, but this is it looks very precise and very tiny, and I like that. All right, so this is really nice, guys, and it says the value of this is $27. So this brush set is actually worth more than the cost of the box. So that is wonderful to know that the first item in here covers more than the cost of the box. And like I said, this is a really nice little set, and you can really do a full face with this. So this is very nice. I'm happy to receive that. The other items in the box are packaged in this tissue paper with the little Glitz Glam sticker on the front. The first thing I'm seeing is some lashes from J Lash. It says Lash Kit. And it looks like you have the lashes along with some lash glue in there. These are really pretty. They're not overly dramatic. They're just very nice and natural looking. Very, very pretty lashes. The next item I'm seeing in here is a lip gloss. It says Lip Shine Lip Gloss from NK Makeup. And this is what that looks like there. This is really pretty. It almost looks like it has like a glittery or like chrome type of effect to it. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Hold on. That's what that looks like swatched. That would be really nice alone on the lips, or as I like to do, over another lipstick. But that's really pretty. It has like a nice sheen to it there. I could definitely see wearing that on its own on a low-key makeup day. Very nice. And the cost of this is $5. I think I forgot to give you the price of the lashes. The lash kit is $3. So the last thing I'm seeing in here is Glitter All Day Set Glitter and Primer. So that's really cute. It is a glitter, and they also gave you the glitter primer or glitter glue there. And this is in the color Diamond Crush. I'm not going to take that out of the package because I don't want to open it right now because I know I'm going to get it all over the place. But that's a really, really pretty color. In all actuality, I may put this in a giveaway because I have some other glitters that I've purchased from NYX, and I have one that's very, very similar to this. So I may wind up just throwing this in a giveaway for one of you guys. And the cost of this is $6. Okay guys, so that's everything that came in this month's Glitz Glam box. So let me go ahead and give you a quick total of the items in the box. When I add everything up, the total value of the box comes to $41. Now I know $41 isn't super high for the value of the box, but the items that we got inside the box are really nice. We actually got a full brush set, guys, a full brush set, which is very, very nice, and you can never go wrong with brushes. We got the Glitter All Day Glitter and Primer set. We got a pair of lashes, and we got a very, very pretty lip gloss there. I know the value of the box is not super high, but this box is only $15, and with the shipping it comes to $17.99, so we definitely got more than double the value of the box, and I really liked all the items that came inside the box. They're items that I can definitely use, and the one item that I'm going to pass on to someone else, the only reason I'm not keeping it is because I already have something very similar. Well, anyway guys, that's all that I have for today. Let me know if any of you subscribe to Glitz Glam Box, and if you do, what did you think about this month's box, and what do you think about this subscription overall? If you're not subscribed to Glitz Glam, but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to their site down in the description box below. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day, and as always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you take a moment to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.